There's a disorder that can make normal sounds feel like nails on a chalkboard. Hyperacusis, a condition where everyday sounds become intolerably loud or even painful. Imagine the hum of a fridge or someone typing feeling like a jackhammer in your ears. Hyperacusis often tags along with tinnitus, that constant ringing or buzzing in your ears. The combo can seriously mess with your day-to-day life, making socializing, working, even relaxing a nightmare. That's why many with hyperacusis end up avoiding noisy places. Now let's dive into what causes hyperacusis. The most common culprit: exposure to loud noises. Think rock concerts or loud machinery. But it's not just noise. Hyperacusis can show up alongside other health issues, mental health conditions, fibromyalgia, chronic fatigue syndrome, and even migraines. Interestingly, professional musicians, especially those in pop and rock, are more prone to hyperacusis. Imagine being surrounded by amplified sound almost daily. However, having hearing loss doesn't automatically mean you'll get hyperacusis. They can occur together, but one doesn't cause the other. So, how many people are we talking about here? For kids and teens, it's about 3.2% to 17.1%. For adults, it's 8% to 15.2%. Hyperacusis might be more common in older folks, but getting exact numbers is tricky. Why? Because symptoms are so personal and subjective. There's different types of hyperacusis. There's loudness hyperacusis, where normal sounds are uncomfortably loud. Annoyance hyperacusis makes sounds cause anxiety and irritation. Fear hyperacusis triggers avoidance behaviors. And pain hyperacusis, where sounds cause actual physical pain. Diagnosing hyperacusis involves hearing tests and questionnaires. One common test is pure tone audiometry, which measures how loud a sound has to be before it becomes unbearable. For most people, that's around 100 decibels. For those with hyperacusis, it's much lower, around 77 decibels or less. What are the treatment options? There's no definitive cure, but managing hyperacusis focuses on reducing the physical symptoms and emotional impact. Cognitive behavioral therapy helps change how you think about and react to sounds. Tinnitus retraining therapy gradually exposes you to sound to desensitize your reaction. Sometimes, sound generator therapy or even surgery can help. Alternative treatments like acupuncture, yoga, and meditation might also provide relief. Ultimately, understanding hyperacusis and finding the right treatment can make a world of difference. If you liked this video, like and subscribe for more content. MD Searchlight. Be your own advocate.